Hello everyone, welcome to RSB Ideas. Today we're making a coffee. So, you have your cup and let's get started. 1/3 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon coffee, 2 tablespoon hot water, and now beat it. Once done blending, you can see the texture. Because we're making Matka coffee, so we have to heat it on the stove like this, okay? And with that we are also boiling the milk, okay? Now add hot boiled milk into your hot Matka. After that, add your coffee mixture, just like that. Mix. Now our Matka coffee is ready. Here we go. Enjoy.